So hello boys and girls, and in this video we are basically going to be learning how to create custom GPT and actionable GPT, not just some sort of prompt engineering stuff. All right, so bear with me. So let's get started. So you can go to GPT, chatgpt.com. You can go to my GPTs, and here you can create a custom GPT. Now the concept of this is a simple one. So you basically have this configuration over here. So you can name your GPT description on sorts of stuff. Conversation starter, let's say, hi, how are you? Something like that. Knowledge base, what knowledge that it should contain. You can upload as many files here. You can, capabilities, web canvas, and all these things. But these things are like, maybe you can also do this in other LLMs. And in Claude, on the contrary to actions, we have this MPC, model context protocol, sorry, model context protocol, Claude. So this basically connects with your agents, but maybe in some other tutorial we'll cover this, but I told you for Claude as well. So here you can create an action. Now let's say I had this V and one of my friends, she's an amazing developer, Hemantika. We created this Yap Yapper, which basically does nothing. All right, it's basically just taking your whatever thing you're writing. I'm feeling very, and it tries to convert that into Gen Z slang. So I'm straight done fam, I'm feeling hella tired. That's it that it does. So how you gonna create your GPT? And this is like a really simple, dead simple example, but you can also do, let's say you create some custom context there. You can prompt and turn on the lights. It goes to your custom API. So you can actually hook in some of the custom APIs that you have, and then on the back you can basically you know go over here, and it can you know go, and you can write an API to control your home, and then you can plug it in into ChatGPT, and then boom, you are done. So how we are going to be doing this, let's say we open a new window over here. We go over to this because I don't know what API we have. So let's say I'm going to the network console. All right, so let's say I go to make me sound cool. It generate Yap. So this is what we have.
AI, Lokivo.
So this is the backend URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new action, and you can go over to get help from Actions GPT. So this is going to create this. And now here you just have to chat with Actions GPT. So what you have to do over here is, hey, this is the API. So this is the API endpoint. What is this is the API endpoint. And what else? This is the payload that you have to give, and this is the example payload that you have over here. And what's the response? This is the response from the API, but ChatGPT may mostly figure out alone. And the post and the method is post, and functionality is basically user gives a text, and it converts it to whatever, and it converts it to Gen Z slang. That's it. Create a spec for this, and then you can hit enter. And this, what Actions GPT do is it gonna create a specification based on a description, what path it is, what summary, and what task that it does. All right. Now, what's the properties and Gen Z slang? Now, what you can do is just copy this code and put it into your schema over here. And authentication is done. Maybe you have some sort of API keys or something. You can add that over here. So let's see if API key, then that's hidden. All right. But in this case, we don't have any API key. It's just I have just opened this. uh, Firstly, it was like you can only access it using webpaperversal.com, but for the time being, I'm demoing this, so I have removed all those constraints. Now, this is the name, convert to Gen Z slang. This is the path. This is a post request. Now, you can add some privacy policies here. Now, let's say we just test this. So, starting the action, hit confirm. It's starting the action. So, let's see what it does. So, it goes to this domain. This is the path. This is everything. Now the params are text censored. This is whatever you have. Alright, how are you doing? I hope everything is done on a plan. Now this is domain, and this is the response that it received. So this is same as what we have. So response data is some OpenAI thing, but this is our response model that we have, and the status code and action ID. Now, hey, what's up? I'm chilling. So whatever you provided to this, hey, how are you doing over here, it converts that into a Gen Z slang using our API. So this is one of the most powerful thing that you can do. So let's say convert this to Gen Z slang as well. I am working on, we are going to deliver a product. All right, and then hit enter. So now it goes to this API again, and it talked to the, we are going to drop this project, fam. Okay, so this is like, in this you have endless possibilities whatever you can do, but this was one of the things that how you can leverage the ChatGPT platform, and then you can connect custom APIs, you can custom GPT, and then you can also go and hit the instructions over here, so how does it behave and all those things. But yeah, you get the idea. This all you can do, but you got the idea on how you can create custom GPTs and how you can leverage full power. You can also use the web capabilities such as web search, canvas, and all those things. So yeah, this is it. I hope you liked it, and I see you in the next video. Till then, see ya, have a good day.